a little bit of a rainy day schedule today, so I wanted to make some cookies. Hi guys, Becki-licious here. We are going to make an iced oatmeal raisin cookie. I love oatmeal raisin cookies. They're like my absolute favorite cookies, but this one has a little bit of an icing on top, so I figured it'd be a lot of fun to try it out. And like I said, it is a rainy day schedule, so sounds fun. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to get our dry ingredients in our bowl first, which of course is our oatmeal. But of course, the oven is preheated, 350 degrees, as always. That's usually par for the course. Yep, I woke up this morning and it looked a little drizzly outside, and I thought, I just want to stay at home and bake cookies, because who doesn't love warm, fresh baked cookies on an icky day like this? So, but hey, while we're on that subject, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Click on that link tree for some other fun stuff too, okay? All right, so we got 2 cups of flour. Get that thrown in there. And then we are going to put in, we've got our baking powder, a little bit of cinnamon, and some nutmeg. So we're getting all that put in there. And then we're going to get this all combined, and then we will start over on our dry ingredients, okay? All right, let's get our wet ingredients ready. So we're going to need a cup of brown sugar, because, you know, you got to have all the yumminess in it. Okay, so we got a cup of brown sugar, and then we need half of a cup of regular sugar. And we're going to get this all beat up, and then we will start adding in our eggs and whatnot. So let's get that in there. All right, so let's get this whipped up. See you back here in a second. All right, now we're going to put in our vanilla. Teaspoon or so of vanilla. We're always a little, you know. All right, let's pop in our egg. We'll do our eggs one at a time, 2 eggs, but we're just going to do one at a time so that they can get creamed in. Okay. All right, we're going to add in a little bit of this dry ingredients, a little at a time. We got to ease it. All right, wet and dry ingredients are all incorporated. Now we're just going to dump in our raisins, and I'm going to very gently use some elbow grease and get these all mixed up, and then it's going to be time to get these balled up in the oven. This dough is all ready. So now I'm going to ball these up, because we want these all to kind of be uniform, if you will. So we're going to ball them up, and then we're just going to press them down just a little tiny bit. We're going to put them on here. There we go. All right, so we're going to get this cookie sheet all ready, and we'll be throwing it in the oven here in a second, okay? All right, these are all ready to go into the oven, 350 degrees, about 12 to 15 minutes each. So let's see what happens in 12 minutes, okay? All right, so these cookies are almost done, but we are going to make the glaze for it right now. So we've got our powdered sugar. And it's been requested that I make a little bit extra. I'm not going to say who requested that, but you know, you got to have plenty of icing, I've been told. No comment on who said that, but you know, whatever. All right. So our powdered sugar, we're going to do some little bit of milk in there. About 1.5 or so. And then a little bit of warm water. All right, so we are just going to get this all whipped up until it's all nice and smooth, okay? All right, these oatmeal raisin cookies have actually been in here about 13 minutes. Oh, they look so good. All right, we're going to bring these out, and we're going to set them down, because now they got to cool before we can go to our next step, okay? There we go. All right, these iced oatmeal raisin cookies are ready to be iced. So they've been cooling on the rack for a bit, and I'm going to take the one that has the most raisins in it, because I've already said that one's mine. So we're going to dunk these in here just gently. Don't need a whole lot. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's going to be yum. So there we go. We're just going to take each of these cookies, and we're going to give them a little dollop of the icing on top. And then we're going to let them harden up a little bit, and then they're ready to eat. All right. Iced oatmeal raisin cookies are finished. Got them all iced up. Now, as you can see, I have 2 of them that are the way it's supposed to be. Just a little bit of icing, but somebody requested that maybe we go a little heavy on some of the others. So that's the beauty of the stuff when you make it yourself. You can do that, can't you? But it's also the beauty, since I made it myself, I get to try them out. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, oatmeal raisin is my favorite cookie, but with icing on top, it's definitely my favorite cookie. Those are yum. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had fun, because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.